What is up guys, this is Moritz here from Buybox, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the app and how you can add blocks with no problems to your store. So let's get right into it. Before you can start adding blocks, make sure your account is actually activated with a subscription plan. You can easily do that when you get the app, and then you can just head to the blocks area of the app where you have a collection of all the blocks you can use now. After you activated the subscription, you can use them anyways, but here you just have a little overview. And you can just add the block by clicking on Add to Theme. You can have a little preview of the block, how it looks like in an actual store, but I'd say we get right into it. There's also another way how you can add them, and I'm going to show you that one now. So if you clicked the plus icon, it will automatically get added to one of your default pages. So usually it is the main one, but if you just want to add it on the go, you can just open up your product page right here. And as you can see right here, I've already added a couple of Buybox blocks myself. So if you want to do that too, just click on the plus icon. If you hover between two blocks, it will appear, and then click on apps. And there you can see all the blocks it contains again. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you what happens if we click on one. I clicked on the copy discount and it should appear right there. And if we look on over there, we can see all the customizable things we can do right here. We can change the text. For example, if we want it to be 80%, that is possible. We can change the discount code right here and all the colors of the block as well, so it will fit the vibe of our brand. Let's make it a bit more yellowish in this case, so it'll look better. Then we can save it up. We're pretty much through this tutorial. I hope you guys found that useful. That's how you can add one block of Buybox. The same principle applies to all the other ones as well. And if you need any help, our support is always there for you.